All right, so we're gonna keep this one short today. Property is only about 10 years old. Notices some weird deficiencies around the exterior flashing. Whenever you start to see tar, you wanna automatically start thinking previous roof leak or current roof leak. Let's go check it out. All right, so I know it's a little windy, I'm sorry about that, but so what you start to see the staining right here on the side, and then whenever you have staining like this, I start looking up and trying to figure out where it's coming from. Normally this issue is related to kick-out flashing, but what made me look even closer when I followed it along was I started seeing a lot of tar along the bottom edge of the flashing. And whenever you have a lot of tar, normally that, again, it's related to a roof leak. Let's go in the attic and see what I found. So because of all the tar on the attic area, came closer over here to the attic side. It wasn't really a deck passage, but I thought it was safe enough to get over here. And then you can already see the staining on the sheetrock, the repair that they've done in the past, but they have not repaired the flashing on the roof at all. They didn't reset it. All they did was add in tar and caulking. So it's my recommendation to get a roofer out here, pull back the roof shingles, reset the flashing, and then move forward from there. That's Chris with The Action. If you have any home inspection questions, please give us a call, and please like and subscribe to the videos. Thanks, guys. Bye.